back to my channel. My name's Noelle, and if you're new here, please click that red subscribe button down below, and if you're not new here, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title of this video, today we are going to be opening a cool little thing. So this is called Munchpak, and this is basically a monthly subscription, and you pay about $25 and they send you different snacks from all over the world every month. I have no idea what's inside this box, but we're gonna go right into this video. And before we start, if you don't already, follow me on Instagram at Chanel Noelle. Now let's get into the video. I'm finna just open it. I didn't open it for y'all because my sister was fiending, and I was like, I'm not even gonna rip the plastic off until, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm dedicated like that. This is what the box looks like, and I'm just gonna open it for you guys on camera. Y'all ready? I ain't ready, but I'm fake ready. Featuring delicious snacks from Chile, Spain, Japan, and more. And these are from, who the f knows? I'm not gonna like, wait, hold on, y'all trying to play me? These are normal, cool. Okay, so this is from whatever the f Maynard. What is that? It comes in here, and then you kind of just read it. All the snacks that I got are from Chile, Spain, Japan. So they're kind of international snacks. I thought they sent it from one specific country. Everything's pretty much different. So we are going to start with Old Dutch chips, salt and vinegar flavor. So that is these. And don't get me wrong, I love a good salt and vinegar, but I only go for the Lay's. So it says, these delicious and crisp baked chips have a savory and sour salt and vinegar flavor that makes for a great anytime snack. And it just says that these are from Canada. But I've never been to Canada, so that means that they're good. So let's just go ahead and give this a try. They do taste a little different. They're pretty much the same. It's more like the Lay's baked with salt and vinegar. Basic. The aftertaste is no good. I would give these chips a 6 out of 10. Nothing special. I don't really like it. The aftertaste is whack and pass. You know what I'm saying? So the next thing we have is from Poland. All my life growing up, there was a fruteria that my mom used to take me to, and it was Polish. And they used to have all the chocolate fire. So I used to grow up pretty much eating like Polish snacks. The next thing I have are these Nutella Be Readies. These look amazing. These crisp and crunchy wafers filled with Nutella cream are the perfect way to get your Nutella fix on the go. So you better be ready for this taste experience. And I am. I'm fucking ready, y'all. A Nutella Be Ready. I'm ready. I don't know, y'all. Oh, yes. That's a big Ferrero Rocher. I'm gonna leave the other half so my sister can eat it because she wanted to try some. Because the other one, baby, it's mine. I'm so hurt that we don't sell that. You offended me now. You offended me. I would give this a 9 out of 10. Yo. Next we have Premium Umaibo Mozzarella and this savory and crunchy corn stick is packed with delicious cheesy flavors like mozzarella and camembert. That's a perfect anytime treat, and these are from Japan. So I love cheese. Am I excited about packaged cheese? No. Wait, what? Listen, I don't think this one's gonna be for me. This is what it looks like. It's really flaky, so I don't even want to get it all over the floor. I already kind of tasted it. I think it's just a cheese puff, so I'm just gonna eat it. No, it's not just a cheese puff. I really don't like that. It tastes foreign. I'll tell you that. There's definitely a chip in DR that I've tasted and it tastes like that, but the concept is not okay. I don't know. Next we have Maynard's Sour Patch Kids. These are pretty much basic Sour Patch Kids. Truly sweet gummies with the power for sour outside. This Canadian mashup delivers on real fruit flavor and a serious sour punch. I can't tell if these are better. 10 out of 10. And for the cheese thing, 3 out of 10. If you like that, if that suits your tooth. Next we have these Dolcetto cookies and cream wafer bites. These are with expertly crafted crisp and creamy wafer cookies and premium ingredients to create an indulgent and sweet tooth satisfying snack. They look really good. Where are those from? Italy. Italy. Sorry. Kick me the out. It's alright. Alright. Oh, they're big as heck. These are it. It's super airy. 9.5 out of 10. Not that it was better than the Nutella, but it's a little more satisfying to eat. 9.5 out of 10. You did well, Italy. Next in the box, we have, what I have is this. This is a CW Yuja cheesecake cookie with the classic cheesecake flavor. You love this snack, is sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. A delicious treat to take on the go. This is from South Korea, and it's a cheesecake in a cookie. I love cheesecake. I love cookies. Let's try it. It looks like a little bone. It's soft. I've had something just like this before. You know what this tastes like? A fig Newton. Is that what they're called in real life, or was that from iCarly? A fig Newton. Fig Newton. What is it? I don't know. That's what this tastes like a fig. It has like yellow custard inside. It's not bad. I don't know why it's yellow. I'm gonna throw this right back in here. Maybe my mom will eat it. Something she would seem to enjoy. I would rate that 8 out of 10. I would eat that in the morning. A cookie, something to have with your coffee. That's fire. 8 out of 10. I like you. Next we have the Zika mini wafers. Wait, I don't have that. Oh, are you crazy? Zika mini wafer bites, peanut butter ube or chocolate flavor. These are gourmet wafer rolls. They're crunchy and light, filled with decadent and tasty cream, perfect for snacking on the go or at home. These are from Indonesia, and I love anything ube or taro, whatever. I have a feeling I'm gonna love these, and I'm actually gonna eat them, like the whole bag. That didn't taste like what I expected it to taste like. And look how it's just sitting there. Not a fan. I would have to give these a calm. They're not bad. 7 out of 10. They're not my favorite. So next we have sour smog balls, and I'm so scared. This is what they look like. Sour smog balls. These sour candies are one bit of toxic waste that you'll want to eat. Every bag includes the sour and delicious flavors of blue raspberry, lime, cherry, strawberry, lemon, and grape. Wow, great flavors. You already won there. These are from Pakistan, and they're sour, and I love sour candies. Yep, they're good. I like them. It's pretty good. So I give that a 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10, you can't go wrong. Next we have a cheeky crispy. And these are basically grandma cookies. No, that's what the f they look like. These are from Costa Rica. I went to Costa Rica before. I did not see a cheeky crispy, but if I did, I probably would not reach for this. This is a galletas con cobertura, sabor a chocolate, chocolate dip cookies. Boring. My grandma definitely gives me this. A little cheeky crispy. A little cheeky crispy. I'll give that a 5 out of 10. Super basic. So the last thing on the list that we have, these individually wrapped fruit chews that are nice and chewy, perfect for when you are craving something really sweet and fruity. You have strawberry, green apple, orange, lemon, peach, and cherry. We're gonna see what the f is up. They're dumb soft. Like, hold up. Wait a minute. It's a chopper. It's a chopper. So this is what they look like. Oh, wow, they're like little sours. They're really soft and weird. And for these, I would have to give you a 3 out of 10, baby. I'm not reaching for that. This is definitely a Spanish candy. Like, duh. But guys, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys made it this far, please make sure to leave a comment, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe and join the family. If you guys don't already, follow me on Instagram at chanel.noel. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much.